Hey everyone, it's Renee from Pizazz Moves. Thank you for joining me for Pizazz in 5. You can reach me at pizazzmoves.com, but for now, we're gonna get your pizzazz on. Here we go. First thing is always, nice big deep breath in through your nose, exhale through your mouth, okay? Remember, you just do you. All we wanna do is get some pizzazz, okay? We want you to feel good, all right? So we're just gonna take a little tap like this. We're gonna see that little slow beat. Hear how there's 2 different beats in there? We're just gonna grab that one, okay? We're just gonna bring your body back and forth. Arms are just here. Give me a little pat, pizzazz, just for the beginning. Come on. Some people call them jazz hands, but I say they're pizzazz hands. Here we go. Come on, just nice little easy step. Okay, so you're just gonna come towards me, okay? So you're just gonna step, step. Now you're gonna go back. No big deal. If you don't want to, just stay in place. It's okay. One more nice and slow. I want you to get warmed up. This one, I want you to bring your elbows up, okay? Now we're gonna do a little quicker. Bump, okay? Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all, we're just moving. If you don't like it, just stay right there, okay? Or you can bring it up, okay? Couple more times, I want you to get you on, okay? That's all. Beautiful. So now we're gonna put those 2 together, okay? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 slow. You got it? I see you. Bring it in the middle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4 slow. Woo! So now when you do those 4 slow, I want you to give me something. Ready? 4. Ba-bum. Whatever you got, baby, give it to me. Here's your 8. Little tiny quick ones. 4, 3. Just let go, baby. Give yourself some pizzazz. Here we go. Forward. Woo! Beautiful. We're gonna do this a couple more times, then we're gonna hang out on the slow ones, all right? I see you. Woo! Here it is. Hanging out on the slow ones. Bring your body a little bit more to the side, okay? Yeah. Now get those arms involved, okay? Press it down. Right down. Make sure you're not going too high, though. All right? Now, a little quicker, shorter. Boom. You got it? Right on the side of the hip. 4. Okay, now we're gonna move to the top of the leg. You got it? Beautiful. See, we're only going right there. Good, now little tiny baby ones. Woo! Good, now bring it here. I know it's fun, huh? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's go back to those 8 quick marches with me. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4 slow. Bring it on. You got it. Woo! Beautiful. Don't you feel good? I know, doesn't it feel good to get pizzazz? It's great. So big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Think about how good you feel right now. Remember, when you inhale, always way down deep in the belly. It should go out. And then exhale. Oxygen is so important. Good, I want you to bring your right foot behind you, okay? I'll show you like this. Make sure it's straight behind you guys, okay? Everything's all straight. Up on the toe, we're gonna do a shorter version of what we would normally do to stretch. Okay, bring this in. Do it. Come straight down. Make sure you feel a stretch. Watch this knee, okay? Good, beautiful. Body nice and tall. Turn, hands on the thighs. Roll down, just right in your lower back. Okay, then come on back up. Then put the other leg behind you. I'm gonna turn so you can see. Watch this knee, make sure you're not over. You wanna be like that, pressing that heel behind you. Make sure it is nice and flat. Arms out. Then bring that hip in. See right there and come straight down. Beautiful. Okay, feel a stretch right there. Turn around, hands on the thighs again. Watch the knees. Inhale big through your nose as you go down, and exhale as you come up. Arms in front, always cross with your fingers and always cross with your hands and never the fingers, okay? Beautiful. Behind you. Okay. Rolling your shoulders. One way. Then the other way. Continue to breathe big. Up and high, nice and easy. Just reach. Fill out of your abs. Nice moving stretch, okay? Moving stretch. Hands in front. Roll them and roll them back. front. Nice last big inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Remember, you can reach me at pizazzmoves.com. But in the meantime, make it a great day and add some pizzazz. Bye.